Doorbell camera captures a woman showing up at 1 a.m. in Fort Pierce, Florida, calling herself a friendly neighbor and asking to borrow a can opener. At first, it sounds harmless.
Yes, can I help you?
Hi, I'm your friendly neighbor. How you doing?
Good.
How you doing? I live right across the street. And 919.
Okay. What do you need?
I was wondering if I could get a can opener.
Sure. Sure. Hold on.
But as she stands there for minutes, the homeowner whispers to someone inside, questioning if this is a genuine favor or a setup.
Hello? I can bring the can. Just in case you...
She can't hear us.
Moments later, the homeowner comes back, only to say there's no can opener, and her response feels different.
I'm gonna take pictures. Hey, I'm sorry, we don't have any can openers.
Okay, it's alright, thank you.
Please. If you don't freaking... Where she disappeared? See?
Always be cautious when opening your door, because protecting yourself
the next
starts
door
with the
neighbor.
choices you make at home.